Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Tom from Tom Small Engines. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to repair a recoil off a Tecumseh lawnmower or snowblower. Okay, you start off by going counterclockwise until you can't go no more. Keep turning it. Keep turning it. That click you heard was the recoil going back into the socket. So that's good. Okay, and you stick a screwdriver right here to release the pressure. Okay, now take your rope and see if I have a lighter. Yep. Now, the reason why I wanted a lighter is because there's wax here, and I want to make this a nice point and make it easier to go into the hole. So you light this, and you make a point. See that? Nice point. Now, you line the holes up. There it is. Try to hold it there while I feed the string through like that. And then I stick the screwdriver back in because I don't want to lose my grip. And this thing's going everywhere. And you pull it out enough to make a knot. Make one knot. Push it down through. Then make a knot over this knot. So make a second knot over this knot. That's what I'm trying to say. It's tough to say. Like that. And you pull it through. Then you cut this excess off. Because that'll cause all kinds of havoc. And you light her up. Meld it together so it won't ever come apart. And that's it. Now you tuck it in. See how it's tucked in? Can you see that? How it's tucked in? All right, let's see if we got it. Yep. Look at that. Now, last thing, you want to see the fins coming out right here? They're a little sluggish, so I'm going to spray WD-40 or PB Blaster in there from the top down. And then there's a hole right there. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. Oh, yeah, here. Yeah, let's see. Let's see here. Right here there's a hole where my screwdriver is. You want to squirt your PB Blaster in there, preferably holding this like this so it all goes down. And then what you do is you tap all around and then clean the excess off. Put it back in. That's it. Thanks for calling. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.